here in Shibuya crossing Japan with my buddy Peter from Little Planet.
Hi everyone.
And Peter is one of the best 360 photographers in the entire world, or the entire planet. He calls it Little Planet, I call it Tiny Planet.
Yep.
And Peter and I are going to shoot some awesome content here in Shibuya. We've got so many cameras between us, it's not even funny. So we're going to get photo content, video content, and Peter is a DSLR 360 photographer with a big ass pole here where he can get 6 meters off the ground with his DSLR. It's got a 5D Mark IV? 5DS.
Yeah, it's a 5DS. It's a
Yes.
50 megapixel sensor.
Yeah.
Just for maximum resolution. Yeah, it will be a crazy image over here, I think.
Yes.
Will also be a stitching nightmare, but
Oh yes.
I will deal with it.
Yeah, I got my GoPro Fusion and a few of my other cameras, Theta V, and I'm going to try and get some awesome content as well. So I think this is going to be a little bit of a competition to see who can get the best shot.
Right.
But it's got to be by the end of the night. We can't be in post-production for weeks. So let's see which of us can get the best content, the Tiny Planet guy or the Little Planet guy. So Peter, what are we doing?
Well, we're going to set up my Noodle Ninja pole. It will extend 6 meters up in the air, and I will attach some different cameras onto it. A GoPro Omni, a GoPro Fusion, a Theta V, and my high-end DSLR camera.
How are you going to fight 6 million people coming towards you every 60 seconds?
I'm going to use my magic powers and do this.
You have to get a selfie stick with one hand and try and fight them off. This isn't just a regular DSLR, this is shooting a 360 photo with a DSLR. Goes all the way around.
Oh, here it is. EOS 5DS.
5DS.
Which is 50 megapixels.
And which lens are you using?
I'm using a fisheye lens, 815 millimeter, and because it's a full frame sensor, I put it at 12 millimeters. And then I only need to take 4 pictures in every wind direction. All right, we're going up. Everybody ready?
Yes, let's do it.
Here we go.
Woo! That's a $5,000 DSLR up there. Better not fall. So what are you doing now, Peter?
I'm trying to make a connection and I don't have a connection.
Okay.
So it's a remote control, but because there's so many people here, it's an ongoing issue with Wi-Fi and radio controlled wireless remote controllers.
Oh, no.
Is that there's a congestion of the radio signal. So I'm going to double check something. It's a great workout, by the way.
Oh yeah, looking buff, buddy, looking buff.
We are going up again. Taking multiple shots, by the way. I'm doing also bracketing, -2, 0 and +2 EV.
Yeah.
Just to make sure I can measure the light here down, but the light will be completely different upstairs.
Yes, got you.
So I need to,
Yeah.
I'm going to use one of these shots.
And bracketing means shooting a few shots at different exposures, and with the idea of blending them together later into either HDR, or if it's just way overexposed up there or underexposed, he's got the option to use one of 3 different exposures. Are we near getting the money shot?
There will be a money shot in there. I'm
right.
sure of that. So
All right.
it takes a lot of preparation, dedication, and
Yeah.
courage, I think. I don't know here.
Are you happy with what you see?
I'm very happy with what I see, actually.
Great.
Yeah. It looks dark on this screen, but Lightroom can do miracles. Let's switch cameras. I'm going to put the GoPro Omni
Yeah.
on top of this
Yep.
pole, and on top of that, I'm going to put the GoPro Fusion. So 2 cameras go up
Right.
at the same time.
So GoPro on GoPro action.
Yeah, I have a special technique for this. I use this kind of separator, I call it, and then the GoPro won't block the view of this one.
I'm embarrassed to admit, 1, I've never shot a 360 with a DSLR, and 2, I've never used the GoPro Omni. I've only ever used point and shoot cameras, so
Right.
this guy has done all the pro stuff that I have not. Okay, the Omni is rolling.
People will get dizzy now.
There are lots of confused people staring at both of us, but they're also in awe, I think. How high is it, Peter?
Now it's really extended 6 meters.
6 meters high.
Yeah.
There is about $5,000 worth of camera equipment on a
Yes.
6 meter pole.
Yes.
All right, well, let's just hope the wind stays calm. look, it's Mario Kart. Where's Yoshi and Bowser? Hey Peter, I know you've got your hands full, but can you hold this for me?
Yes.
I'm gonna get a tiny planet of Shibuya Crossing. Let's do it, let's do it. Come on, come on. Come on, GoPro. All right. All right, was that worth making a complete ass of myself? We will find out right now. I don't think I was ready. I
have to do it again?
Yeah, I think I'll have to do it again. Oh, look at that. That looks quite cool, actually. Completely accidental. Massive hands. Like, you know what I'm going to do is do a burst shot. So it takes 30 photos in 1 second. I think that will turn out epic. Then I'll invert it, turn it into an inverted planet. And I bet you that will become one of my most popular ever Instagram posts, if I get it right.
Are you ready, Ben?
Yes, I'm ready.
3.
Well, no. You're trying to kill me?
I was only at 3.
All right.
3, 2, 1, go!
Need one for safety. One for safety. Just waiting for all these people to clear. Yes, it's gonna be worth it.
Now that's risky business.
Yeah. Gotta do it for the gram, Peter. Just do it for the gram. So Peter arranged for a private tour of that platform up there, which is one of the best views of Shibuya Crossing, but they wouldn't let me up there. So I'm down here just taking tiny planet shots, and if we zoom in real close, you see right in the middle of frame there's a pole. That's Peter's Omni and GoPro Fusion on top of that. So I'm sure he's getting some excellent views of that rooftop and nothing else. I can't wait to see the look on his face. Alright, he's back. Peter,
Hey,
how
I'm
was the shoot?
I think the shoot went okay. Was maybe one little problem is that I couldn't really stand next to the glass windows. That would have been the perfect situation, I think. But I think it will still be okay. I mean, a 6-meter pole still helps me a lot to achieve views that nobody else can see.
360 Photo Adventures Part 2. We're back in Shibuya Crossing after dinner. We have a new friend, Daniel from Colombia, and Peter has got his Omni and Fusion out. And what's first on the agenda? You're going to go for a time lapse?
I'm going to do a time lapse and a normal recording with the Omni. So the Fusion is doing at a 5-second interval, or no, a 0.5 second interval for a time lapse. This is just a normal video for a 8K resolution 360 video.
Okay, here is my friend Daniel in the red shirt, and he's going to attempt a 360 shot with a DSLR in the middle of Shibuya Crossing. The light stays green for about 45 seconds, so he's hoisting up his monopod. Can he get the shot? He'll have to swivel it 4 times and hopefully get a good stitch. So he's using the wireless remote there. It's activating the DSLR and he's rotating it. 1 shot at a time. Pressure is on. He's about halfway through. Seems to be going okay. Oh, I think he's done it. I think he's done it. The taxis are coming. He's about to get hit by a taxi, but he did it. He did it. GoPro, take a photo. 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 All right, let's avoid death. Woo! I lived to see another day. It's a miracle. This is probably the dumbest thing I've ever done, but it could end up being the best thing I've ever done. So we shall see. I'm doing a handstand in the middle of Shibuya crossing. Oh God, at least you'll get my death on camera. All right. All right, that's it. That's all I'm gonna get away with. I'll take it. Worked perfect. Only took 2 seconds, that's all I needed. Need those 2 seconds to go right, and they did. Yeah, I'm feeling good. Look, there I am. This is so cool. I can't believe we're doing this. We're just a bunch of massive 360 nerds. We spent, what, like 4 hours here at one single location, getting every angle we can possibly capture in every way possible. Photo, video, tiny planet, 360. We're obsessed. We need help, Peter. We need help.
Yeah, we definitely need help. So any recommendations for help, type it out in the comments.
All right, I think we've captured every single angle of Shibuya crossing possible. We've been here for 4 hours now, can you believe it? 4 entire hours, and I think I've got at least one Instagram post from this little exploration, don't you think?
Yeah. I think I have a little bit more, even Ben, but
Yeah.
I'm not, I will post some little plans as well on Instagram, on my Instagram page and on
Where can they
Facebook.
find you?
Well, they can find me on facebook.com/littleplanet.be, on instagram.com/littleplanet.be, and on my website, littleplanet.be.
Yes, definitely check him out because, like I said before, he's one of the best 360 photographers on planet Earth, and he shoots amazing tiny planets. So I think you guys will get a lot of inspiration from his Instagram post and his Facebook page. So definitely check him out. Also hit that subscribe button down below for more awesome 360 tutorials to do with photos and videos. And also check me out on Instagram and Facebook. And until next time, keep capturing your world in 360, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.
We were just joking. One more photo.